Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 1950s Masonite building ad for Coca-Cola. The thing is 9 feet 7 inches wide, 4 feet tall. This is great. Unfortunately, none of our shipping companies will take this. I guess we could get it crated if somebody really wanted bad enough. So right now we're offering it for local delivery only or pickup. So if you are into Coca-Cola, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.